Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Hello! Welcome to our YouTube channel. So ayan, today it's a beautiful day outside actually. And we are with our 370Z today. So magiging productive ang araw natin ngayon, ano? So it's Sunday and I just finished work. I just got home and today is actually Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all the great dads out there and to all the great dads that are watching right now.
Happy Father's Day!
Yes, may you guys have or already have had a Father's Day when this video is posted. I'm sure it's after Father's Day na. So anyway, back to it. Magiging productive ang araw natin ngayon. It's because we are going to change ang oil ng ating sasakyan and we're gonna be installing one of our parts as well, and then lastly we are going to change its windshield too. So ayan, so before sa lahat wala pa tayong oil, so we are going to Canadian Tire para bumili tayo ng oil. So are you ready?
Yeah, but it's not due for us.
Bye!
Haan?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's go, boy.
Let's go, guys.
Diyan ka?
Siyempre, I'm gonna be 7.
Huli tayo, huli.
Hi, Yubi.
Ayun siya.
Hi, Kimby.
Okay, let's go. Hello and welcome. Ayan, so tinitingnan natin kung ano yung magandang brand. Gamit ko usually ano kasi Castrol eh. So tignan natin kung may nakasale. Kasi 5W30. Sale siya.
Ilan? $34?
Pakita natin. 5W30 yung gagamitin natin para sa sedan. Kailangan 5 dito. Hello! Ayan, nakauwi na tayo sa ating bahay. Nagpalit lang kami damit kasi sobrang init sa labas. And so, ang binili nating oil for our SED is Castrol Gold. Ayan. It's actually on sale. And mas maganda to dun sa black Castrol nila. Castrol Edge. And ang ating and also 5W30 yung gamit natin. Okay, so ang oil filter natin is Castrol din. Might as well be loyal. So Castrol din yung ating oil filter. So ayan, yun ang gagawin natin ngayon. Actually kakatapos lang din nilang pinalitan yung windshield, ano. It's sad kasi yung clip natin na-delete for some reasons. Na-delete yung clip natin na time-lapse sana para sa pagpalit nila nung windshield. Ayan, dumating yung mga nagpalit dito sa garage instead of us bringing it to their shop. So, ayan. Simulan na natin ang ating pag-change oil and ang box na ito ay i-install na rin natin. I-install na rin natin itong box, which is inopen ko lang siya, tinignan ko lang yung tayo ka na, tanggalin mo yung chair. So ito yung, hold mo please, ating use another one part na install. So this goes sa likuran ng salamin niya or wind. Ayan. Look at that. Also, ang naisip ko, kasi ano ito, matte lang siya. Ang naisip ko sana is pinturahan na rin siya ng
White.
maybe satin black or gloss black. Ano. So this goes sa likuran ng ating set.
Magkasa kayo siya.
Yeah. Ow. Harap mo dito. Wait, ako na lang.
Ow. Wait! Ow!
Ayan.
Ow! Hit ko to.
So, ayan. Ganyan ang magiging itsura niya. Whew! It's looking good.
Daddy,
It's
parang
looking
hindi siya,
great, boys.
parang hindi siya bagay.
Ano lang natin siya. Hindi siya bagay? Bakit hindi siya
Kasi
bagay?
white to, parang tapos tol. White, tapos black, tapos
So, ayan.
tol.
Ayan ang magiging itsura niya. Once na na-install natin siya. Looks good. Looks really great. On my light, anak, please. What do you think? Okay siya?
No?
No? Ayaw niya. No, okay yan. Once na na
Ayaw!
paint na
Maganda
natin
nga
siya.
siya maganda.
So,
Pag nakaside, maganda.
kasi alam ko, meron tayong natitirang gloss black dito na paints. Ayan, ito. Ayan siya. Zoom, 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 zoom. Ayan. 2x. So, ayan. Yun ang gagawin natin habang chine-change oil natin siya. Habang dinidrain natin yung oil. Then, install natin ito and at the same time, ipinturahan na natin. So, ayan. Simulan na natin. Okay, ayan. Tapos na natin nailagay lahat. These are now kind of permanent here. Well, not permanent, pero natatanggal pa rin naman. Meron lang siyang double-sided tape, but it's a heavy-duty double-sided tape. And meron siyang, so i-attach lang natin sa nut. So, now it's time to paint our lever, boys. So, i-prep muna natin. I saw some spots na medyo rough yung pagkaka-prime. So, lagyan lang natin, i-sand lang natin kaunti ng very fine. So, yeah, let's get it on. Okay guys, we have just finished laying our first coat. First coat of our base. Ayan. Sinan ko yan as much as I could, ano, pero meron nga talaga sa mga dents and all. So, ayan. So, we'll just let it dry for 15 minutes and then we'll lay another coat of black. Tapos, after nun, lagyan natin siya ng 2 layers of clear coat. So, let's go. Okay guys, it's actually the next day na. Kasi, so, pinatuyo muna natin yung ating louver, ewan ko kung paano i-pronounce yun. Pinatuyo muna natin yung paint niya. So now, we are going to start. I actually been sanding. I've done sanding already. So, ang ginagawa ko na lang ngayon is pinapolish yung pininturahan natin. So, ngayon, habang I'm halfway done na. So, ngayon, habang nintay natin yun matapos, i-change oil na natin tong ating sed. Sorry, it's been a long day already guys kasi kanina pa ako dito sa garage, naglagay akong 3M paint protection film dun sa sasakyan ni ate ko. Ayun siya yung Mini Cooper. Nilagyan ko ng paint protection film. So anyway, ngayon ang gawin natin is i-change oil na natin to, i-drain na natin yung oil, and then at the same time, we are sanding our louver. So yes, let's go. Okay guys, ayan, natapos na natin lahat for today. We're gonna end our video here. So we just finished our windshield replacement. Ayan, clear na siya. And ang ating louver din. Natapos na natin siyang pinturahan. After how many rounds of polishing, naging successful na tayo. Although, meron tayo mga few scratches from our polishing pad dahil sa mga edges, pero they are just right on the corners and sides. So, I think it shouldn't be a big deal. What matters is yung side natin dito is flat na flat yung mirror like yan.